Hello, what is up guys? I'm from Peso Smart Page here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today we're gonna talk about my DeFi Pet. Earlier I was just gonna harvest my crops and plant some more and harvest some of my silver from the cages of my pets, and I saw this. So it says here that the Nemesis Hydra will awake in 31 hours. So that's gonna be around 10 a.m. here in the Philippines. So finally, the first play to earn aspect or feature of this game will be online in about a day. So now let's find out what the mechanics are for this world boss. If you're on Twitter, definitely follow my DeFi Pet there so that you're updated with all the latest news about the game. And here is a tweet that they posted, and they have published an article or a guide or tutorial on Medium on how we can play or participate in this boss fight. And now here we are on my DeFi Pet official's Medium page. So here, my DeFi Pet boss fight tutorial. So let's just read up on this. He who sees through life and death will meet with most success. To win any battles, it is fundamental that you know the weaknesses of the enemy. After thousands of years of fighting the forces of darkness, our legendary pet masters collected some information about the mighty bosses and provide us with these inscriptions below on how to win against the force of evil. Boss fight tutorial. About the boss. The boss has 100 levels. Each boss level will appear 15 minutes after the previous boss is defeated or the time runs out. Pet masters have 12 hours to defeat any boss levels before they run away. For the last boss, we have 48 hours. About the pets. There are two kinds of pet, worthy pets and normal pets. Worthy pets deal 5x damage. They earn 1 D-Pet, while normal pets deal only normal damage and earn 0.2 D-Pet tokens. I'm not sure what the worthy pets are, but maybe those are the rare pets. I'm not entirely sure. And then, of course, the normal pets are just the ones that doesn't have the aura, the wings, and the outlines. Only one pet is deployed per attack as the turn-based mechanics. Pets will be severely injured from this fight and will be unable to perform their in-game functions like producing silver or breeding. The pets will be sent to a smart contract to recover. Once the event ends, pet masters can claim back the pets. The successful final hit to end the boss will earn you extra D-Pet tokens. The higher level of the boss is, the more D-Pet tokens you can earn. So now to join this event, obviously you have to have some pets on your account. And for every fight that you will participate in, you have to pay a small gas fee. So for BEP20 users like me, or if you're using the Binance Smart Chain, the average gas fee is about 0.001 BNB. And for KRC20 users or the KardiaChain users, the average gas fee is near zero. So Kai is 10,000 to 100,000 times cheaper than ETH. So they really highlighted that, because if you use the Ethereum blockchain or ERC20, it is very expensive to transact in that particular blockchain. With this tutorial and balance of pet masters, human will have more hope to fight evil. Take arms and let's get ready to rumble. And if you're wondering how cheap the gas fee will be, so 0.001 BNB is around 42 cents. And if we convert that into PHP or Philippine Peso, that is around 21 pesos and 29 centavos. So that is really cheap. There you have it, guys. This was just a quick update about the boss fight, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. I'm gonna record my boss fight as well, and hopefully the server won't be that overloaded once the boss fight starts. We're gonna end the episode here. I hope that you learned a thing or two. Help me grow the channel by smashing the like button. That really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you won't miss out on my uploads every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Follow me on my social media platforms as well at MNPSPH. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Another way to support the channel and be part of the Peso Smart Page community is through the YouTube membership. Click the link down in the description below to know more about it. Thanks again for watching and listening, everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you on the next episode. Always remember, be Peso Smart.